everybody, my name is Elise Kera and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this channel is really all about natural hair, my natural hair journey, and whatever else I come up with. So definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And what I'm going to be doing today is styling my wash and go with a new product that I have never used before. I have seen a couple people use this product. One YouTuber in particular that I really like, her name is Alyssa Marie, I don't know, but I really like her. I follow her on Instagram, and she has been using this brand here, KeraCare. So what I have here today is their moisturizing curling jelly, and then I also have this moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So I actually just it is like midweek for me, and I just co-washed my hair. They have a moisturizing co-wash, and these products, they all have Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil, and it says that they are for natural hair types 3 and 4. So I don't know, I was in Sally's and I saw this and I'm like, oh, she uses that. They weren't that expensive. They were like, I think this was like $6.99. They were all like around $6.99 or something like that. So I'm like, that's not bad. I will give it a go. So what I'm gonna do now is I have my handy dandy spray bottle and I have it filled with warm water. So what I'm gonna do is just spray some water on my hair. Okay, and then I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner, moisturizing leave-in conditioner. I'm not really in the mood. This is like a midweek situation that I'm going to just do really quick. So okay, so this is what the leave-in conditioner looks like. It looks kind of it looks kind of thick, but you can see it is very movable, I'll say. It's kind of like a jelly, like a pudding type of consistency. Like you can see it shake a little bit here. So I'm not in the mood. This is just like a midweek little situation for me. I'm not trying to have this take a long time. So I'm just going to put the leave-in conditioner on my hands. That got a little messy. And just go throughout my hair a little bit and do it that way. Usually I do section my hair off and do all that jazz, but listen, I'm not in the mood, y'all. I'm not in the mood. I want this to be done with. Like I said, I had a twist out that kind of really wasn't that good. I was not pleased with how it came out. It only lasted like 2 days. So I wasn't even planning on doing my hair, but here we are. The difference in the two sides of my hair are so crazy. All right, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more in the back. The back bottom part, I just really need my ends clipped, guys. But that part is really, really rough for me, so I wanna make sure I get a lot of product back there. And now what I'm gonna do is just take I've been experimenting with this detangling comb. So I will take that and just go ahead and detangle my hair with the leave-in conditioner. All right, so after trying to go through and detangle with this detangling comb, like I said, I'm experimenting with it. It's by Cantu. I got it from Target the other day. I wasn't liking the way my hair was feeling, so this moisturizing leave-in conditioner does not really feel that moisturizing. So what I ended up doing instead was using a Denman brush, and with the Denman brush that made me feel a little bit better. I went through it and I felt like, you know, the product was getting distributed a little bit better, and it was feeling more soft. So as you can see, it does feel soft, and I can get through it, and I do feel the product on my hair. So it does feel a little better using the dimming brush to distribute this product, but also it has this like a weird feeling, filmy maybe is like the feeling that I'm feeling. So I don't know, I don't really know how I feel about the leave-in conditioner anymore. So yeah, that feels pretty wet. So I'm gonna go in with this product, take off the sealant, and this is weird. It's kind of like snot. So I'm gonna just go in with this product and rake it through like I do with, you know, any other product for a wash and go. So this, you know what this feels like to me? It actually feels like aloe vera. So I've been doing a lot of aloe vera like pre-poos, and this literally feels like how that aloe vera feels going on my hair. Weird. Let me see, does it have aloe vera in it? Water, glycerin, castor oil, coconut oil, linseed extract. No type of aloe. Maybe this is just the glycerin in the product. It's giving me soapy. It's giving me soapy. Maybe I didn't rinse my hair all the way. I thought I did. Or maybe it's these products together, but it's giving me soap, honey. I tried that Eco Boost gel. It was giving me soap, honey. But I'm gonna just keep with it. And I'll try to get a little close. Doesn't look bad at all. Let's see. Do the instructions say anything else? Small sections. That's it. It doesn't say anything like, oh, you should use one specific method over another to apply the product. So yeah, here we go. So there it is. All right, so I am back, and these are my results. And I'm not even mad at it. Turn to the side. I'm not mad at the results so far at all. My curls are super clumped together, like super clumped together. As my hair dries, that white soapiness kind of goes away a little bit. So this is the side I did first, and it looks really nice actually. So as this side, of course, dries a little bit more, that white residue will probably go away. But this is what it's looking like so far, and I am going to actually dry using this bonnet dryer attached to my blow dryer, and I'm going to sit with this on for a while until this dries, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. But so far it looks really nice and neat. There's like no frizz. My curls are really clumped together, so I definitely do want to see what this looks like once it's completely dry. So I will be back after I have dried this down a little bit. All right, so these are my results after using my bonnet dryer. I don't even know how long I just left that on for. I had it on like medium heat, and then I kind of put it on high heat for a little bit. So I don't know how long I had it on for, like 30-40 minutes, honestly. I've been working from home, so I just did some work and ate and whatever. So these are the results so far, and it looks pretty good. Like I said already, that my curls are really clumped. And I didn't really have much frizz except for this back part, which I didn't have a lot of product on to begin with. But this is a pretty decent wash and go, if you want me to be honest. Y'all, that's bold. I was just recording and it just told me my storage was full. So half the stuff I just recorded is not even on here. Bold, okay, bold. All right, so this is the conclusion of this video using the KeraCare products here. I have the moisturizing co-wash, the moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and then the moisturizing curling jelly. Overall, I will say that I do like this product line. There were some ups and downs with these products. I wouldn't say this is like my all-time favorite brand or anything like that, but the co-wash, it had a lot of slip. It did seem like it really did cleanse my hair. My hair wasn't super soft after using it, but I definitely think it did what it was supposed to do. The leave-in conditioner, I had some concerns after trying to detangle with my white tooth comb. At first, it didn't really seem like it was moisturizing or doing anything for my hair, but after switching and using the Dim brush, I think it worked a lot better. I could tell that the product was now coating my hair, and my hair did end up a bit softer. Was it the most moisturizing product in comparison to other leave-ins? No, it wasn't, but I think it did what it needs to do. And then the curling jelly, that was an interesting product. It was very like loose, like snot-like, but and then also using it with the leave-in conditioner, it kind of foamed up and lathered, which was weird. I'm not sure what that's about. This is the second time I've used products that have done that, so I don't know. But after my hair started drying, that lathering, it went away, it kind of dried up, and my curls were super clumped. I did not have like any frizz at all. I did use my bonnet dryer, and then I went and stretched my hair with the blow dryer, and these are my complete results. I will say that the jelly has a good hold after using the bonnet dryer and stretching my hair. Like, it's not a lot of frizz. My curls are still defined. So overall, I will say this is a successful wash and go. Of course, I will have to see how many days this lasts, but overall, I would say that these products did the job, and I will be using the KeraCare products again. So you guys let me know in the comments below if you've used this brand. What were your results? Are there any other products that this brand offers that I should try? So definitely let me know that. I will use this product again, so you don't have to have any worries about that. But definitely like this video, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.